Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to unblock unknown numbers on Samsung, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer, where all your apps are listed. Step 2. Once the phone app is open, look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, scroll until you find the Settings option. Tap on it to access your call settings. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Block Numbers. Tap on it to open the list of block numbers and settings. Step 5. Next, locate and tap on the Blocked Number Categories option. This will give you more specific blocking settings. Step 6. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Block Unknown Numbers. To unblock these, simply tap on the toggle or checkbox to disable this feature. Confirm your choice by tapping the OK button, and that's it. Undid. Unknown numbers can now reach your phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.